So let's start by using the topic research tool to jumpstart our content. On the left side navigation under the SEO tools, navigate to topic research. And here on this page, enter in a high-level topic. For example, for Brightland, I'm going to enter olive oil, and then click Get Content Ideas. And then Semrush will surface a ton of different subtopic ideas based on your prompt. So in my case, I put olive oil, and then here we've got Mediterranean diet, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, anti-inflammatory, and it goes on. There's even one down here, olive oil benefits. Now, this gets even better if you can get more specific and use some of the longer keywords that you found in your keyword research and you have in your keyword strategy. So for example, I know that we have best olive oil in my keyword strategy list, so let's search for that. We can click Get Content Ideas. And now the content ideas are even more specific. So here we have side-by-side, grocery stores, cold pressed, organic extra virgin olive oil, and you can see the potential volume for all of these. So let's click into side-by-side. It presents a bunch of different headline ideas with them ranked from best to worst. This has high resonance with the audience. So this particular article here has 552 backlinks, and you can actually click to see the original article. And here you can see the actual article that Semrush is referencing, and it believes has high resonance. I'll go ahead and close this out. So the beauty of this topic research tool is that now, instead of staring at a blank page when you're trying to come up with what to write, you've got real headlines that are already working, plus the exact questions that people are asking. So I recommend favoriting some of these ideas. Click on some headlines you like, and then click on some questions that you could answer with your content. Like here, what is the best olive oil to buy in the USA? Let's add that. What is the best olive oil brand? We'll grab that. What are the best organic 100% olive oils? And you can continue like this, grabbing headlines and questions. Everything you favorite gets collected up here in the Favorite Ideas tab. This becomes your content planning board. I recommend favoriting 10 to 15 ideas across a few topics. That's now your article queue. So now you've essentially got the formula right here. You've got 3 headlines that we know are working well. Mix and match, take the best bits from each and make your own similar headline. Then simply include these questions and their answers in your article.